here, the national championship game between Alabama and Clemson. Security will be tight tonight at Raymond James Stadium as Tampa hosts the college football playoff national championship. Now, the big game kicks off at 8 p.m., but the planning to keep everyone involved safe has been years in the making. News Channel 8's Ryan Hughes is live at Ray J this morning. So, Ryan, security is so tight, you're not allowed inside the stadium until later this morning.
Gail, good morning once again. Organizers tell us this place will be swept by security teams and bomb dogs, and that's why no one will be allowed inside the stadium until 11 this morning. Law enforcement agencies are pulling out all stops to make the stadium safe and secure.
If anyone doesn't think that the world is dangerous because of terrorism and things going on, then I think they're taking this too lightly. So we really want to get that message across, to see something and say something so we could actually do something about it.
That's the word, as at least 72,000 fans are expected to pack Ray J tonight. Local and state law enforcement has prepped the stadium for weeks, if not longer. Security measures similar to NFL games will be enforced. People will be checked as they enter. Only clear plastic bags will be permitted inside. Now, agencies have been on high alert all weekend with hundreds of thousands of people in town enjoying events at the Tampa Convention Center and Curtis Hickson Park. Anti-terrorism teams and officers on horseback have roamed the city looking for anything suspicious. Now, back here live this morning, you can see a number of law enforcement vehicles, including a bomb detonation unit here on scene. Just in case something suspicious may be found, it can be put into that unit to be disposed of. We have also seen a bomb-sniffing dog in this particular area all morning long checking vehicles. So, of course, everyone here this morning and throughout the day, Gail, on high alert.
Absolutely. And Tampa is used to hosting big events like this, so they're on point. Thanks, Ryan.